Hi guys. So in preparation for the upcoming exams, I decided to make this video where I look at and go through all the past papers that have been written and have been created by the IEB about Donker Web. So the most recent one is the May 2025 one, and then we're going to go all the way back to the first one, and that was written November 2023. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to go through question 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take a topic, for example, Greg's family, and then I'm going to go through the first paper and see where do they ask questions about the family, and then what questions do they ask. So these videos will be in parts, otherwise it's going to be too long. I'm going to read the question immediately. I'm going to translate it in my head into English. Otherwise, if I read in Afrikaans, then translate into English, it's going to be too long. Well, we're going to see how it goes. You are welcome to pause the video to see the exact Afrikaans wording, of course, but I will also put the link of the website where I got these papers and the memos from. You can also just go and get it, but I will put that in the description. Let's go. In this video, we are going to focus on questions about Greg's family. First, about John, and then questions about his ouers, his parents. Okay, so the most recent paper, May 2025. Vraag 1, 1.3. Saam met wie het Greg altyd die grense getoets en adrenalien sportsoorte gedoen? So with whom did he do adrenaline sports? The answer is his brother, John. Then, November 2024, 2.1, we have a few questions again about the adrenaline sportsoorte. So, 2.1, why did John always do these adrenaline sports? So initially you think to yourself, what do I answer? So the answer is literally he liked it. He liked the opwinding, excitement, or om grense uit te daag of te toets, to test the boundaries. 2.2. Name one of the places where John did these sports. Not something that we focus on a lot. So the answer is the Soweto Towers or the Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban. In 2.3, now only they get into, so what happened that Greg and John can't do these activities together anymore? And that is the answer. Hy het selfmoord gepleeg. And then 2.4, why, according to Greg, was he not allowed to cry about John? Okay, so either his dad said it should have been him and he was angry about it, or his dad didn't allow him to cry about his brother. He had to be strong. Okay, so again, both times, both papers about the adrenaline sports. Now, this is just a continuation of this question. So it's about John, but it's not about John specific. So the question is, why was it difficult for his mom to send Greg to university? And the answer is, she felt that everyone that she loved is taken from her. 2.6, how do you think did Greg's mom feel after John left, after he died? And then motivate your answer. So first we have to say, how did she feel? Baie alleen en hartseer. Okay, so you have to say the emotion, alone or sad. And then you have to give your motivation. And it is, she closed the windows and the curtains and sy het geskree. She screamed. That is the reason. Then May 2024, 2.1 is a paragraph question. Again, all about John. So the first question is, John het selfmoord gepleeg. They give that statement. Then they say, how is Greg's dad responsible for John's death? Okay. So the pills that he drank comes from Plus Ultra Med. Or you can say the pills that he drank comes from his dad's maatskappy. Very important. We asked this question now in the previous exam. A learner said the pills came from Project Nursery Rhyme. That is incorrect. It is not from Project Nursery Rhyme. It's from the company. And remember, you can't say John's dad made it. He didn't make it. The company made it. Or another reason that you can give is his dad put pressure on him. Hy het druk John geplaas. Then, in what way did the dad want Greg to be more like John? So hy moes doelgerig wees, of hy moes akademies sterk, academically strong, of 'n uitstekende atleet, a very good athlete. Then, Mevrou Owen, the mother, she didn't handle John's death Well, what did she do to show us that she didn't handle it well? And sy het die gordyne toegetrek en hard geskree. So again we have she closed the curtains and she screamed, or she sits in her room, or she struggled to continue with her life. And then the bottom there. Why can we assume that Greg and John had a good relationship? What did they like to do together before his death? And then the answer, hulle het extreme sport gedoen. So you can either say that, or you can say they did bungee jump or white water rafting. So again here, they want to know what did they do. They want you to give an example. And then November 2023, the first exam. See, 1.1, they like to start with the questions about the family. Waarom het Greg se ma gevoel? Why did the mom feel that everyone that she loves is taken from her? So we've heard this type of question before. It's now just like swapped. So why did she feel the people that she loves is taken from her? Because her son committed suicide or the dad is in jail. That is why she felt like that. And then 1.2, Greg and John did activities together. Again, they mentioned the activities. Name one activity that they like to do together. So here you can't just say adrenaline sport. They want you to answer een activiteit. That's why I have it there in a block. You have to mention the activiteit. So, white water rafting, rekspronge, that is bungee jump, tou swaaie in Durban of rotsklim. So important. They focused on these activities. So make sure that you know these activities and also where he did it, because they've asked that as well. Okay, now we move on to his parents. So May 2025. 1.7, so the first question. Greg gaan Paasnaweek terug Johannesburg toe. Waarheen wil hy gaan? Where does he want to go? Okay, so very important. When you read the word Paasnaweek, it's very important. When they mention that, there's only three things that happened during Paasnaweek. Number one, he learned about Andre Symington when he walked into the kitchen. Andre was standing there. Number two, he went to visit his dad in jail in Tronk. Number three, Nicole came and he saw she had a baby. Those are the only three things. So when they talk about Paasnaweek, you know it's going to ask one of those three things. So they give a statement. He went to Joburg during Paasnaweek, Easter weekend. 1.7.1. Where did he go? Or where did he want to go? He wanted to go to see his pa in die tronk. In Pretoria Centraal or Kgosimampuru. But if you just say tronk, I'm sure that will be fine. So where did he want to go? He wanted to go to his dad. In 1.7.2, what did Greg want to go and do there at the jail, at his dad? Name two things. So initially you think, what? What is this question? The answer is pretty simple. He either wanted to apologize, hy wil verskoning vra for what he did. And remember two things. And he wanted to ask his dad for help catch the baker, hulp om die baker te vang, or hy wil sy pa help. He wanted to help his dad, meaning to restore the family name. So very easy. We just need to know what to answer. Okay, then November 2024. Vraag 2. 2.7. Greg's parents never divorced. Hulle het nooit geskei nie. What's Rina do that could possibly lead to a divorce in future? So what did she do? She had a buiteegtelike verhouding, a relationship met Andre Symington, a minnaar. Minnaar means the boyfriend that whilst he's married. Okay, so it's all about she had a relationship with Andre Symington. And then 2.8. Why did Greg think that Andre Symington could be part of Project Nursery Rhyme? And this is all about his occupation. Andre was ook 'n chemiese ingenieur van beroep. Or just he was 'n chemiese ingenieur. And please check how we write chemiese ingenieur. It has to be in Afrikaans. Okay, then also 2.9. Now we have a paragraph. And you're going to see it's all about Tarot Media. Okay, and who do we know? Tarot Media, what it's all about? It's about Greg's dad. So number one, they ask, who's the owner of Tarot Media? Chris Owen. What was sy skuilnaam? What was his name in Project Nursery Rhyme? Candlestick Maker. Dan Waar is die man aan die begin van die verhaal? Where's this person? Remember, we know it's his dad. Where is his dad in the beginning of this verhaal? In die tronk. In die tronk, Pretoria Sentraal, Gossie-Mampuru, Siemens. In die tronk. Dan, waarvoor blameer die man Greg? Noem 2 goed. So what is he accusing Greg of? Name 2 things. So number 1, he's accusing him that he's responsible that the dad is in jail. Hy's verantwoordelik daarvoor dat hy in die tronk sit. En remember 2 things. En dat die familie se goeie naam deur die modder sleep, that he ruined the family's name. Or so for the family's name ruined, you can also say that dat die gesin vernietig. He's ruining the family. So the first one is definitely he accuses him that he's the reason that he's injured. Dan number 5, or the last bullet point there. Do you think Greg, the way he acted, meaning putting his dad in jail, was correct? And then motivate your answer. So first of all, you have to say ja of nee, and then your answer. So you can say yes, because people died. Innocent people died. Or you can say no, Greg should have protected his dad. Okay. Then May 2024. Again, a paragraph question. The paragraph 2.1 is a paragraph question. Okay. And there's other questions in between as well. About John. So you can see it's all about the family, but especially about the parents, all those ones in the book. So the first one, waar was Greg? So why was Greg's dad never at home or never there for his wife? So easy. Weg vir werk, away for work. Or you can say hy was op besigheidsreise, on business trips. But it's just easy to say weg vir werk. And the next one, the bottom there. How do we know that Greg's mom's relationship and the marriage to her husband is over? And the answer, she has a relationship with the other man, Andre Symmetry. Okay, so second time now that they're asking about the relationship being over and what is the cause of that. Then, again in the same paper, what happened to Greg's dad while Greg is in Florence? So remember, they're not asking about things that happened previously. In this whole book, in the present tense, the dad is in jail. So they're asking, what happened to him in jail? And what happened? Hy's aangeval. He was attacked. Of hy's gesteek met 'n mes. He was attacked with a knife and he's fighting for his life. And then, hoe het Greg gevoel? How did Greg feel about what happened to his dad? And again, weird question. And the answer is easy. He was worried. Hy was bekommerd oor sy pa. So don't overthink it. Question 3. They ask just one thing about the dad. The first question. The mom's asking Greg, why did you want to visit your dad in jail? So the question is, why did you go to your dad in jail in Paasnaweek? The answer, hy wou gaan kuier. He wanted to visit him. Or, hy wou weet hoe dit met hom gaan. He wanted to see how he's doing. Or, he wanted to know who the baker is. Then November 2023, in the first question, 1.3 and 1.6. So Greg's dad was an absent dad. Why was he never at home during Greg's school years? Where was he? So this is the second time that they asked this question. Where was he? We know, weg vir werk. We don't have the memo here because it's weg vir werk. Then 1.6, again, Paasnaweek. We see there where they have the little paragraph. Paasnaweek. So again, I've told you now. We know about the 3 things that happens during Paasnaweek. Wie is die onverwagte kuiergas? Who is the guest that Greg did not expect? It stands in front of Greg when he opened the door in Johannesburg. So again, I told you now about 3 things. It's not Thomas Lawson, it's not Rian Trollip, it's not Dirk Skutte, it is Andre Symington. Okay, these videos are broken up. Otherwise, it will be very long. So go to the next one to learn about the next topics and next question. Okay, guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.